the aftermath of the explosion yesterday. The house next to it, one of my best friends, very, very lucky. This is part of the building, what's left of it. It's not even the bad part. See if I can get up closer. There's a lot of debris around here. Not too bad considering. Looks like it blew a hole out of the ground. Okay, here's the really bad part. Pretty bad. Let's get a look at the house again. Yeah, the inside is really bad. But I don't know if he wants me to tape in there, really. Garage door, or side of the garage blown off a little bit. Let's go look at Rob's car. Blew out the window. Blew out the center console. Windshield. Yes.